Hey there, YouTube. Jeremy Wright here. It's, let's see, Friday, July 7, 2023. And I want to show you something that my friend Jackman Corley and I made about a year and a quarter ago. I think it was last spring of 2022. And so if you look very closely, and I may just have to zoom again, brace for this. Whoa, little mite type things running around. I don't know what all they are because I just noticed them. So over the next little bit, I'm going to be identifying some of these little bitty critters, whether they're different types of louse, isopods, copepods, isopods. Did I say that already? Okay, whatever. Losing my terminology. Zooming out. Boom. So this is just a little like tray from the grocery store. No holes in it. It was covered with plastic such that it stays wet. And I only give it water like twice a year, literally. So go out, find some little mosses, stick them in something like this, and see what happens. Enjoy.